In this video, we will learn about the simultaneous equation, how to solve the simultaneous equation by elimination method. For this, we have to remember some points. So the first point is, if you have same coefficients, plus same sign, so you have to subtract them. And if you have same coefficients plus different signs, so you have to add them. I will explain these remember points with these questions. And the third point is, if the coefficients are not same, so make them same. So we will do questions with every remember point. Like in the first question, we have 3x plus 7y is equal to 17. And the second question is 3x minus 6y is equal to 4. Now we can see in this question, with x, the coefficient of x over here is 3 and the coefficient of x in the second equation is also 3. You can just name them. This one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. So in both the equations, the coefficients of x are same. So you just have to make the coefficient of any one variable same and then you can apply the elimination method. Like in this example, we have the coefficients of x are same but with the same sign. See, if you don't have any sign before a number, so it is always plus. So it means if we see the first remember point, same coefficient and same sign, so you have to subtract them. It means now we have two equations and we have to subtract them. So we will write the first equation over here, 3x plus 7y in the bracket. We have to subtract them, so we will put a minus sign over here. See, for subtraction we have to put a minus sign. Then we will write the second equation, 3x minus 6y is equal to, now the first equation constant number 17, as we have to subtract them, so minus, and then the second constant of the second equation, which is 4. So now we have to open the brackets, 3x plus 7y minus 3x minus minus plus 6y is equal to 17 minus 4 is 13. Now we can see plus 3x minus 3x can be cancelled with each other. So we will cancel them and then we will just solve these two. So 7y plus 6y is equal to 13y is equal to 13. Now we just have to find y, so we will divide 13 on the other side, so we will get 1. It means y value is 1. After this, you just have to put it in any one equation and get the value or answer of x. Now I am putting this y value in equation 1. So we will put in equation 1 this y value. So now we will write this first equation. It was 3x plus 7y is equal to 17. Now I am putting the value of y, 3x plus 7 times 1 is equal to 17. Now 3x plus 7 is equal to 17. 3x is equal to 17 minus 7. So x is equal to, this one is 10 and you will divide 3 on the other side. So x is equal to 10 by 3. As it is improper fraction, so we have to divide it. So when you divide it, 10 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9. So now write the answer. So you will write 3 whole 1 by 3. So see, you have to find the answer of x as well as the answer of y. So it is the first equation in which we have same coefficients and same signs. Now in the second equation, second question, we have, see, the coefficient of x is 3, the coefficient of x in this equation is 4. This is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Now in this second one, the y coefficient is 2, and in this the y coefficient is, we don't have any number, it means it is always 1. I want to make the coefficients same, so what should I do? So it means we can just multiply the whole second equation with 2, the whole equation, both the sides, because I want to make their coefficient same. So see, when I multiply this 2 with this number, this 2 with this number, and this 2 with this number, so 2 times 4 is 8x minus 2 times 1 is 2y is equal to 2 times 7 is 14. Now I will write this one and this one together. So see, this is 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, the first equation. Now the second equation becomes 8x minus 2y is equal to 14. So now this is your second equation. See, you have to make them equal. You have, see, now the coefficient of y and the coefficient of y in both the equations are same. Or you can just name this equation as equation number 3, because you changed, you made some changes in second equation, you multiplied with 2, so you got the same coefficients of both the equations. Now see the remember point, second remember point, we have to go up. So see, same coefficients, I'm talking about this remember point, same coefficient and different signs, so we have to add them. So in this question, see, we have same coefficients 2y and minus 2y, but with different signs, so we have to add them. So it means we will write 3x plus 2y and we have to add them, plus 8x minus 2y is equal to 8 plus 14. Now plus 2y minus 2y will be cancelled with each other. 3x plus 8x is 11x is equal to 14 plus 8 is 22. Now we have to just find x, so we will divide 11 on the other side. So it means x is equal to 2. But we have to find y as well. So you can put in any equation. Like I am putting in first equation, put the value of x in equation 1. So we will write equation 1 over here. Equation 1 was 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now I am putting the value of x, which is 2, from here. Plus 2y is equal to 8. 3 times 2 is 6. 2y, sorry, this one is plus. 2y is equal to 8. Now 2y is equal to 8 minus 6. 2y is equal to 2. So it means y is equal to 2 by 2. So the answer is 1. So see, now you have both the values. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. So you remember this thing, in every simultaneous equation questions, we have to find the value of x as well as we have to find the value of y. Okay, now in this next question, we can see the coefficient of x is 13. The coefficient of this one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. Now x coefficient is 13, x coefficient is 7. For y, the y coefficient is 6 and in the second equation the y coefficient is 4. Now we have to make them equal for any one variable. I am making the coefficients of y same. So see, over here we have two numbers. Let me highlight it. This one is 6 and this one is 4. So what will be the first step? You just have to take the LCM on one side of 6 and 4. So when you take the LCM, so if you want to learn how to find the LCM, so you can just watch my another video. So the LCM will be 2 times 2 times 3. It means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So now 12 is the LCM. So now if first we have to see in the table of 6 where 12 comes, 6 times 2 is 12. It means we will just multiply the first equation, the whole equation with 2, and in the table of 4 where 12 comes, 4 times 3 is 12. It means 4 times 3 is 12, so we will just multiply the whole second equation with 3. Now, so the first equation will become, I am writing the first equation, so 2 will be multiplied with 13, 2 will be multiplied with 6, 2 will be multiplied with 20. Now 3 will be multiplied with 7, 3 will be multiplied with 4, 3 will be multiplied with 18. So now 13 times 2 is 26 minus 6 times 2 is 12y is equal to 2 times 20 is 40. Now the second, now you can just name it this equation number 3. Now the second equation, because now you have to multiply every number with 3. So it will be 21x plus 3 times 4 is 12y, 18 times 3 is 54. Now this one equation number 4. So see, you have same coefficients with different signs, see, plus and minus. So as we remember, if we have same coefficients and different signs, so we have to add them. Now we have to add these two, 26x minus 12y plus 21x plus 12y. On the other side, we just have to these two numbers, 40 plus 54. Now minus 12y and plus 12y will be cancelled with each other, and 21 plus 26 is 47. 47x is equal to 40 plus 54 is 94. Now we just have to find x, so we will divide 47 to the other side. 94 divided by 47, which will be equal to 2. Now we have to find y, and we can put this value of x in any one equation. So I am putting it in equation number 1 for finding the value of y. So if you remember, the first equation was 13x minus 6y is equal to 20. Now the value of x is 2, so we have to put it. Minus 6y is equal to 20. 13 times 2 is 26. Minus 6y is equal to 20. I'm just writing the like terms together. So I'm shifting 20 to the other side, so minus 20. I'm shifting minus 6y to the other side, so it will be plus 6y. Now 26 minus 20 is 6 is equal to 6y. Now with y we have 6. It is multiplying with each other, so we will divide it on the other side. So the answer of y will be 1. So remember this thing, in every simultaneous equation we have to make denominator same, and we have to find the value of x and y. Remember one thing for the simultaneous equation, the journal form of the simultaneous equation, this is the journal form of simultaneous equation is ax plus by is equal to c. So always you have to write the coefficient of x first, then the coefficient of y, and on the other side you must have c. For example, if you have in any other question you have like this, 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. So first you have to just shift this constant to the other side. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 7. For example, if you have an equation like this, for example, if you have an equation 2y minus 3x is equal to 7. So first you have to arrange them. You will write the x coefficient first, then the y coefficient, and then the constant on the other side. So you should know the general form of the simultaneous equation, and then you can solve it by elimination method. I hope you got everything. If you want to ask any question, you can write in the comment box. See you.